you've got a 3.9% average monthly profit. And the reason I say average is not always to say that you will be having a 3.9% month. Now, if you look at it, there's a 3 month. So within 3 months, the total net profit was 21,761. 6 months since the start, let's quickly have a look at it. The past 6 months, it was 40,000. And then all time from the beginning all the way, you're looking at about 465,975. Now, I must say, from what I've seen and what we've looked at, this really looks good. Hi there, my friend, Errol Muller here, and welcome to another video. In this specific video, we will be doing a Carina Bot review. Now, before we continue, on your screen right now, there will be a disclaimer. I highly suggest you take a few minutes to read through it. Just pause this video, read through the disclaimer. It will also be at the bottom of this video, and then you can continue to watch this video. Now, from what I can see, and I've literally went through the entire robot, I've read through the frequently asked questions, I looked at the pricing, etc., and we are going to delve into the details of this robot right now based on what I can see on their homepage, which is the carinabot.com. Now, nothing against the owner or the developer. I'm going to give you my personal opinion, what I like about this robot, and things that I would definitely, if I was you as an individual watching this video, before you make any purchase decisions, I'm just going to point out a few things that you might ask the owner or developers of this robot. You can contact them on the contact page and ask them a few questions. Now, who am I? My name is Errol Muller. I started Forex trading back in the year 2014, but more seriously in the year 2015. I've had my ups and downs, and I think let's rather get into the review, and then I'll jump over to tell you a little bit more about myself. If you haven't watched any of my videos, on the top right hand side, I do a lot of Forex trading, robot, make money online systems, programs, etc. reviews, where I delve into the depths and the details of robots or make money online programs, investments, etc. So please, can I ask you to give this video a like, a thumbs up, so we can help this video to rank as quickly as possible within the search engines in order to help more individuals similar like yourself to make an informed decision. Okay, let's get straight into the review. Now, as you can see on the homepage, it shows a 3.9% monthly profit. I would take that as an average, as an estimate. Reason being, you will not always get exactly that amount. It will always be an average. So I'll rather work on averages. Now, I don't want to bore you with all the details. If you click on the see results, you will have 3 months, 6 months, all time. Okay, we are also going to open up they've got a Toro account, an eToro account. I will open that up right now, and I will share with you the live data based on what they are sharing with us, the Carina Bot developers or owner, and it's very informative, I must say. From what I could tell, it's looking good. It's looking really good. And me, myself, I no longer trade with Forex trading robots at all. I don't use them anymore. I don't trade with them. What I do is I invest in other individuals in order to trade on behalf of me. What I can say, though, is I am actually interested in the Carina Bot. I like this. It's more like an investment type of style trading, and you only pay when it makes you profit. That's the other thing. Now, we'll get to that in just a second. So make sure you pay very close attention and you watch this video right until the end. Now, you've got 3 months, 6 months, and then all time. So within 3 months' time, this robot has made a 21,761 profit. Now, if you look at the dates, this was from March the 1st, 2023, all the way till June 12th, 2023. Now, I'm not sure what date it is today for you watching this video. Just have a look at the time that you are watching this video. And then within 6 months, the past 6 months, it made a 40,000, just over 40,000 profit. And then all time since this program started, I call it a program. Yes, it is like a bot that trades on a VPS service. But let's call it an investment program, a Forex investment program. Just as a reference, I'm not saying it's an investment program, I'm just referencing something here. So please don't take me to word for it. Read the disclaimer. So from the beginning, which was around the January 3rd, the year 2019, till 12th of June 2023, it made 465,975 profit. Now, what I do want to share with you is the account. We will get back into the pricing now and exactly how this bot works, and I'll tell you what you can do in order to contact their support and a few questions that you might or that you can ask them if you want more surety before you make your decision whether you want to buy it or not. I cannot say that you must buy it or you must not buy it. That decision is entirely up to you. What I can do is I can just assist by sharing a few things with you. As a Forex trader myself, I've started in the year 2015. I've traded manually. I used to sell my own Forex trading course. I used to trade with Forex robots. I'm at a point in time where I've got other individuals trading for me. So as an experienced trader, there is a few things that I would like to see as well. And you can always contact their support. Now, what you want to do is you want to click on the C account. Let's quickly go. Yes, trading results, C account. Then it opens the Toro base. Okay, it opens Toro base and it opens the account. It shows you it's a personal account. It shows you it's live. It's a live account, which is good. And it also shows you the status of the account to show that it is active. Now, what you can do is here's all the trades. Here's all the transfers that it has taken. Here's all the trades, every single trade that's been taken, the events, the fees, the client, the permissions. So in this case, this specific account that's being shared with us on their website, the C account button right here, at this point in time belongs to this individual, Mr. Damien Reaver, birth date, etc., etc. So nothing of this is personal, because otherwise they wouldn't have shared this with us and they would not share it on their website, okay, for you to have a look at. So what you want to do is you want to click on trades to see when the very, very first trade was taken. You scroll all the way down. What I would say is number of entries. You click on 100 entries, and then it's going to bring up 100 trades, the past 100 trades. But I want to go all the way back to the beginning, which is on page 14, the very first trade that was taken. You can actually download the status of the trade, the exact trade, when it was taken, the profit, etc. You can click that, it downloads. You can open up the physical trade documentation, and then it says you issued on 2023-06-13, there's the time, and this specific trade was created in 2019, the 3rd of January, or the 1st, I think in the United States they swap it around, so it's year, day, then month. Where I'm from, it's year, month, date. So I'm not sure if this is the 1st of March or the 1st or the 3rd of January. Either way, this trade was created in the year 2019. So that was the very first trade that was taken. And then it gives you the open price. It gives you the amount. It gives you the used margin. This was a buy trade. The profit and loss. In this case, it was a 6.1 pips. Profit, it's a plus, and then the total profit in United States dollars is $438.60. That was the profit of the trade. Now it says here, at the request of our client, Mr. Damien Reaver, having its personal identification number, hidden, born 1988-03-24, and having its address on Great Percy, London, United Kingdom, etc., etc. So which is quite nice. I must say, I like that. And then you can literally go into every single trade. It shows you there's the profit as per the PDF we just looked at. 5.6, 6.3. This was the very first trades back in the year 2019. Now, if you want to see the very latest trade, the last trade that was taken, go back to page 1, all the way to the top, and here's the latest trade. You can download the PDF. We can open up the PDF, and once we've opened up the PDF, same account details, same everything, you can see the latest trade that was taken on this account was 2023-06-12. So this tells me this was the 12th of June, the latest date that a trade was taken, and in this case it was a 8.3 pips profit and a 512.28 United States dollars profit. Now if you go back, it will tell you the same thing. The profit was a plus 8.3 pips. That is awesome. That is looking really, really good, I must say. Now what I do want to do is I quickly want to scroll down as well. Let's go back to the very first trade that was taken, and okay, no, that's not going to make a difference to me now, so that's fine. What I do want to share with you as well, oh yes, then you guys can have a look at the fees. In this case, none of the fees or anything is shared. So how does this robot actually work? Here you can see the actual graph of the account to show you how this account has been performing. Now what you're asking is, let's quickly have a look at the pricing. Let's click on pricing. Before we continue, if you have not given this video a like, please give it a like. And then like I said, I'm going to quickly share with you who am I, a little bit of my background. My name is Errol Muller. I'm the owner and founder of ErrolMuller.com. And if you hover over and you click on the home page, this home page maybe by the time that you are watching this video would have changed. In this case, or for now, you can actually subscribe to the weekly newsletter. I created this website to share with you information related to multiple sources of income. If you look at any wealthy individual in the world, an ultra wealthy individual in the world, you will realize that all of them has got multiple sources of income, which is one of the most important things you can do, is having multiple sources of income. Because if you rely on only one source of income, think of your day job. What's going to happen? If you rely on only that one source to bring in money for you, overnight, if something happens, you get laid off, or where I'm from, you get retrenched, then you've got no source of income. And that, hence the reason for me creating this website. This website is to create multiple sources of income using Forex trading, robots, investments, making money online, affiliate marketing, building a very wealthy, long-term, sustainable business online. So there's numerous sources for you to have a look at. And I can't give you any specific source to say that you must do this or not. I can only make recommendations, and what you decide to do is entirely up to you. So I started my career back in the year 2014, 2015. I call it my make money online, Forex trading, multiple sources of income career. So back in the year 2015, it was mostly Forex trading and making money online, building a business online, of which I borrowed nearly $10,000 from my personal bank. And I've lost that entire balance that I've borrowed from my bank. I had to pay it all back. And it was all invested within Forex trading seminars, programs, trying to build a business online, making money online programs, affiliate marketing, etc. And throughout that whole process, that's how I basically learned and taught myself how to trade Forex. And I started being very profitable. After blowing numerous accounts, losing a lot of money, I've actually started becoming profitable and making a lot of money in Forex trading. The same goes for making money online. I've literally started making a hell of a lot of money online as well. And all of that is like the yin and the yang. You know, the one can't exist without the other, meaning there's a positive and a negative, I call it success and failure. You have to go through failures. You have to pay your success, call it success tax. I always refer to it. You have to go through failures in order to achieve success. And you can't have success without failure. You can't have failure without successes. So it goes hand in hand, and all of that, you know, it was difficult times back then. It was me, my lady, and our little boy before he was born. It was a struggle. I used to work till 12, 1 o'clock in the mornings just to make a success of this thing. And it was putting a lot of tension and strain on our relationship. And by the time my boy was born, it was also a very tough time. So me and my lady used to buy wooden benches and cell phones, and then we would resell them for a small profit, like just to make ends meet, to make some money in order to pay off, firstly, the debt that I put us in the debt, as well as pay off credit cards, etc. And all that's past now. You know, I'm at a point in time where I wake up to emails in the morning say you've made a commission, you've made X amount of money, this is your trading interval from the people who I invest my money in, trading on my behalf, shares the profit with me for the previous week. This was your profit for that week. So everything is now, it's like a puzzle piece that all came together, and that's it. So I don't want to delve into too much detail. That's like a long story short. So I went from failures to successes. Now, if you want to have a look at more Forex trading robots, head over to Forex trading, head over to the Forex robots tab, and then this first link will take you over to numerous other Forex trading robots. This link as well to numerous other Forex trading robots, and then you're more than welcome to have a look at a lot of other Forex trading robots as well. And if you want to see some reviews regarding these Forex trading robots, you should be able to find them on my YouTube channel. If not, leave me a comment below this video. Let me know what you would like me to review, and then we can have a look at that. Now, secondly, if you want to make money online, and I've been part of this business since the year 2015 as well. If you want to make money in affiliate marketing or affiliate marketing as an affiliate, then you can click this first link right now. By the time you are watching this video, this picture might have changed, the subject might have changed, but it will all be based around affiliate marketing, the same business. Okay, and then if you want to build a sustainable business online, I want you to scroll all the way to the bottom where it says, ever thought of building your dream business online? You can create yourself an account for free. It's going to cost you nothing. And then you can browse around and see what it's all about. I am personally part of that business. This link, as well as the very first link that you are looking at now, since the year 2015. Okay, and then you can also have a look at the investments, crypto buying platforms, etc., etc. Most of this that is on my website, I have information around it on my YouTube channel. Now, back to the Carina Bot. So how does it work? How does the pricing work? So what they do is they let you trade, or basically use their trading bot system investment, call it like that, because you have to create yourself a Toro-based account. You fund the account, and then that is how you activate the Carina Bot. They say it takes 5 minutes, and then you're all set and ready to go. Now, you can use it on demo trading account as well. It will cost you nothing. You can test this specific Carina Bot, and if it's profitable for you, you can immediately just go around and turn it into a live trading account where you deposit physical actual money. So how does it work? The first 3 months is for free. The next 3 months, so after 3 months, you pay 10% of whatever profit you receive. So let's say you, they say 3.9% per month, and that's 369. It's going to give you 10.8, 11.7, around 11.7. Is it going to be, or just 11.4 or whatever percent over 3 months? And then you're going to pay 10% of your profits, 10% of the growth. So if your profits was, for example purposes, it was $100 or $10,000, you would pay 10% of that. Now, 10% of $10,000 is $1,000 that you would pay to them. And you only pay after every 3 months traded. So they are actually taking a risk here, which I like, because they say that they know it's going to be profitable, no matter the market conditions, and they only want 10% of your profits, which I think is a fair deal. Exactly what they say here, fair deal. Try now for free and decide later. You can cancel at any time. Now, after 3 months, if you feel that you don't want to use the Carina Bot anymore, you don't have to pay them, and the bot will automatically stop trading. There will no longer be trades taking place on your account. It will automatically stop. You can click on the pricing, you can scroll down, and then you can have a look at it right here, and then you can set it all up. They say it takes about 5 minutes to set up your entire account. So that is really not bad. It trades the Euro USD pair, and you can literally go to how it works, and it will explain it to you exactly how it works. It trades the Euro USD, and it only trades the Euro USD, and it only takes the highest probability trades in order for, so if it takes trades, and they claim to have an 80% on their website. They claim to have an 80% profit ratio, or positive ratio, meaning out of every 100 trades, 80% of them will be in profit, 20% of them will be a loss, or 20 trades will be a loss. And it's looking good. If I look at the graph that I just shared with you, it's looking really, really good. So then again, whatever you decide to do, whether you decide to invest with them or not, it's entirely up to you. I'm not saying you have to, or you must not. That decision lies with you. I'm just giving you my feedback from what I can see on their homepage. So back to the graph, it's looking really good. I like this overall graph. Now, a few things that you must, or that I would recommend you ask them, is get over to their contact page and ask them things like, I looked at the frequently asked questions, but I couldn't really tell. So firstly, I want to know, what is the drawdown percentage? Now, if you don't know what drawdown is, I highly suggest you go Google it and then ask them, what is the minimum or what is the maximum drawdown? That's very important, and I highly suggest you do some research as to what drawdown is. Then secondly, what you can do is you can also ask them, does it make use of a stop loss? I think I saw it somewhere where, can I test, can Carina Bot make a loss? Yes, it can make a loss. I can't remember if I read it somewhere within the frequently asked questions. But what you can also ask them in the same email that you send to them is, ask them, does this bot make use of a stop loss? It's also very important, because you don't want any type of forex trading robot to have no stop loss. That is just too risky, because if there's a massive news release that you don't know of, that the bot does not pick up, it can blow your account like this. If you've got $100,000 within that account, you can blow it overnight or within a few seconds. You can lose all that money. So ask them, what is the drawdown? Does it make use of a stop loss? And those are basically the major things that I would ask them. I'm trying to think if there was something else that I would like to ask them regarding this bot, but those are basically the biggest things that you want to know. Based on everything else that I could see on their website, it's looking really good. I must say, I'm happy with it. Like I said, I'm interested in it, to be honest with you. Oh, here's a nice profits calculator. So you can literally select your currency that you, in this case, whatever your depositing currency is, let's say USD, and you can select how much your initial investment would be. Let's say you decide to invest $10,000 or $1,000. Let's keep it very average. Let's say $1,000. Not everybody's got $10,000. Let's say $1,000 for the average individual. A lot of people would like to start on a $100 account. You're more than welcome to play with a calculator. Then length of investment. If you were to invest 1 year with the Carina Bot, it would have turned your investment from from $1,183 to $1,872. It would have given you an average growth of 58.3%, which is phenomenal, and it's awesome. I like this. Now, if you were to invest with them for 3 years, it would have turned your $1,100 investment into a $4,689 investment. It would have given you an account growth of 296.4%, which is phenomenal. I must say, I like it. That's just my personal opinion. Once again, read the disclaimer, and you have to make your own informed decision. Once again, I appreciate your time. I thank you for watching. Stay tuned for my next video, and may you watching this video be blessed with a healthy, loving, peaceful, wealthy life going forward. Everything that is good and possible. Good, possible, and positive. So once again, thank you for watching. I appreciate you. Stay tuned for my next video, and I will see you in my next video. Enjoy.